Gradient of parallel and perpendicular lines. You will learn the relationship between parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. Gradient of parallel lines. Take a look at the following parallel lines. Let's find the gradient of blue line first. The gradient is y change over x change. X change is 2 units to the right and y change is 5 units up. The gradient is 2.5. Now let's find the gradient of brown line. X change is 2 units to the right and y change is 5 units up. The gradient is 2.5. Notice that the given lines are parallel and both of them have a gradient of 2.5. Since slope measures the steepness of a line, it seems reasonable that parallel lines should have the same slope. Two lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope, therefore equal gradient. It's important to learn how to find an equation of a line parallel to a given line. Pay attention in the following example. A straight line A has equation 4x plus 2y plus 5 equals 0. Find an equation of the line B through the point 5 and 2 that is parallel to line A. First, we write the equation of the given line in slope-intercept form. Make y the subject of the equation. We can see that the gradient of line A is minus 2. Since the line B is parallel to line A, it also has the gradient of minus 2. To find the equation of line B, write the equation of the straight line in slope-intercept form. Because line B passes through the point 5 and 2, these values can be substituted together with the gradient in the formula. Rearranging to find C gives C equals 12. To get the equation of line B, we write the equation in the slope-intercept form again. Now we change M by minus 2 and C by 12. This is the equation of the required line. Gradient of perpendicular lines. In figure, we show two perpendicular lines intersecting at the origin. Let's find the gradient of blue line. X change is 4 units to the right and 2 units down. So the gradient is negative. Let's find the gradient of a brown line. X change is 1 unit to the right and 2 units up. The gradient is positive. You should notice the gradients are negative reciprocals. So the product of them is minus 1. It's always true that if the two lines are perpendicular, then their gradients are negative reciprocals. It's important to find an equation of a line perpendicular to a given line. Pay attention in the following example. A straight line A has equation 2x plus 5y minus 8 equals 0. Find an equation of the line B through the point 2 and 3 that is perpendicular to line A. Let's find the gradient of line A. Start writing the equation in the slope-intercept form. Make y the subject. The gradient of line A is minus 2 over 5. If the lines are perpendicular, the gradients are negative reciprocals. That is, the product of them is minus 1. So, let's find the gradient of line B. Change the gradient of line A by minus 2 over 5. The gradient of line B is 5 over 2. Write the equation of a line in the slope-intercept form. As the line B passes through the point 2 and 3, substitute these values to gather the gradient in the equation to get the value of C. C is minus 2. Write the equation of a line in the slope-intercept form again. Change m by 5 over 2 and c by minus 2.